Hello and welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. We are celebrating today. Today is the 2-year anniversary of our channel, Ribbon Candy Hooking channel on YouTube. We are so excited. We are on our way to having 500,000 views, and we are so grateful for all of the views, the likes, the subscribes. Please keep liking, subscribing, sharing, telling people about this channel. We now have hundreds of videos up teaching you all aspects of rug making, plus our coffee time videos most weekdays where we talk about history and books, all kinds of fun community stuff. And speaking of coffee time, tomorrow on Coffee Time, we have a major announcement. I will be announcing an upcoming Coffee Time episode that'll air within the month, visiting with a bona fide true rug hooking superstar. And I am so excited, but we are going to do that reveal tomorrow morning on Coffee Time at noon Eastern Standard Time. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a great episode. I will see you then, everybody.